Hey, what's happening guys? Mike Moo here. If you've seen one of my last videos about the DJI Osmo Pocket, you may have seen that I had talked about the Polar Pro DJI Osmo tripod system mount. I say system because it actually is a system. What they were thinking was actually coming up with this, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket with the handheld grip. In addition to the tripod mount, which I find to be one of the better ones because it gives you a lot of access and opening. I won't go into the details about that. You should just check out that video. This also works with a handheld grip that actually allows you to go ahead and slide the system right on in, and with, of course, the tripod mount, and gives you two other additional mounting locations at the top and bottom of where the smartphone goes in, and also still gives you access to various other functions, such as, well, I'm using it right now, such as an area to put your thumb to go ahead and have a better grip on it. So if you're using like a self-vlogging situation, you're going to have a much bigger screen to go ahead and look into. Granted, if I'm looking down at the screen, I'll just demonstrate that right now. I'm looking down at the screen. This is what it looks like if you're just looking down at the screen. You could do the Casey Neistat thing and put on sunglasses so it won't look that bad, that you're not looking at the viewer. But the point is that if you're shooting a selfie, you got a bigger screen, you can make sure that your framing's correct or accurate the way you want it. And if you are actually facing forward, you're gonna have a much bigger screen, your phone's gonna be much more secure, and the whole system works together so that the whole thing can be tripod mountable. So at the very bottom, there's going to be a different area where you're going to want to mount the tripod, as I'll demonstrate over here. If you mount it on the other side, it tends to be a little bit less stable. And but the point is that you can actually have 2 points of contact if you want. There are some negatives to it though. In the month that I've had it, I noticed that the fit and finish of the actual grip, which you're only paying $10 for, is not something that you're getting the fit and finish for something that's going to be like $30 or $40, but it's only $10 more in addition to the tripod mount itself with the DJI Osmo Pocket. Another thing is that the grippy portion of this does not feel that great. I mean, it's basically all plastic, and I'm not sure if the finish is going to hold up throughout a long, lengthy period of time, but for $10, I can live with that. The other part is that the part that holds onto your cell phone seemed to be primarily designed for iPhones. Okay, I'm sure my wife's Galaxy S9 is going to work just fine, but if I'm going to use a case on my iPhone 10, which I usually do, it's not going to grip it very well. So there's that problem. You're going to have to take it out and keep it naked on the whole system, or you're gonna have to have a super duper slim case, which does not provide much protection at all. So overall setup time, I'd have to say it takes only a couple seconds to convert my DJI Osmo Pocket, put it in a tripod holder, and then slide that in and lock in place. It takes like about 20 seconds and plus another 10 seconds or so, 10 to 15 seconds to go ahead and take my phone outside of the case and slide it right on in here. There's a grippy portion on here that holds the phone in place, but as you can see when I was talking about the fit and finish, is that some of the glue has fallen off. You can easily fit that with contact cement, so that's not going to be too big of a problem. Overall, I'm going to go ahead and give this a recommend if you were thinking about getting the Polar Pro tripod slash case adapter. You might as well spend the extra $10 and get this grip case, and gives you a little bit more functionality and feature-wise, and you can even use it as a standalone as a tripod mount for your phone exclusively if you wanted to. But if this was being sold alone, let's say it was being sold for $25, I'd say, go ahead and skip it. There's probably a better solution, but that's a little bit more flexible for your phone type. This is compatible with an iPhone X10, iPhone XS, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, etc. I've only tested with the iPhone series. Okay, now the inward and outward portion of this of the case is not going to be super flexible, so that's why I said if you have a thick case, it's probably not going to work out. Just plan on using it completely naked on the system itself. Okay, so overall for this item at $35, I recommend it, and it does a pretty good job for what it was designed to do. And if for instance you decided that you want to go ahead and get the Polar Pro tripod mount for the DJI Osmo Pocket, you also want to get the gimbal protector, which is a little bit pricey by itself, which is additional $20. And if you're going to go that route, we're looking at an overall package price of $35 for this system that I'm talking about showing over here, plus another $20. So you're looking at $55 to get a decent protected and flexible system that will allow you to mount it on the tripod, allow you to attach different other accessories while mounted, including a microphone if you so wanted to, and also for additional mounting points, and also being able to basically handhold it in one hand with the big phone and have your phone secured. Okay, so that's it for this quick little review. Please give this a like, subscribe for more. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. If you are interested in purchasing this product or any of these other products that I mentioned in my videos, please use the links down below. That will help me continue to make videos like this for you in the future. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next video.